Hello, this is Tracy. So today I'm gonna film a video with English again, finally, because it's still easier for me to film any video in Chinese, obviously, but it's okay because last time I unboxed Kuru's stamp in English, so this time I'll just follow what I did last time. So today I'm gonna unpack this set, which is all the Frame series that she launched like last summer around, not really sure, but I was too busy to do any unboxing, so I keep it like until now because you can see the date right here. It's like 2020 and July 19th. I was too busy, so now I finally got time to do the unboxing video. As her stamp was selling, well, it's not was, now it's still selling right now. Like I'm selling them, and that is so popular in Taiwan at the moment. So even Kuru called herself that she is the frames queen. So I'm looking forward if she's gonna design more frame style, well, this year hopefully, then I can collect more. So I'll unpack this one first as she do a bit wrapping. Oh, this is so cute. I bought them for so long, like finally got time to open it. So she designed this 4 series with square and round. So both of these sets are new ones. And these 3, I kind of forgot. I forgot like 1 or 2 of them. They are like the old ones, and I bought them all. So let me open the set first. Okay, so I'll do the square first and I'll show you guys what it looks like. She does all these packagings by herself. I'm so impressed actually because she has so many orders she needs to do, but she's doing that by herself. I'm not so good at unpacking. They are so cute, like tiny ones. Can't open it. So these are like square A, square B. And now I'm opening round A and B. This is round A. These are all like so tiny. I'll show you what I'll measure it. These are all just 2 centimeters times 2 centimeters, like real tiny. But they're so cute. I'm gonna stamp somewhere. I just took a random paper card. Aren't they so cute? I love how these lines are like, because I use these kind of ink pad, that's why it shows in this kind of texture. But I love how different all they are. Even they're all like kind of, well, they are square, but they still look different kinds of square. And I believe they looks really nice in red. I mean, in red ink pad, but I don't have any red ink pad right now, so I just use this one instead. I'll show you the round ones. And like, here's the little details, which is so cute. She even put the alphabet A and, oh, this is B. An A and B on it, which you can see which set did you get. I love these little details because normally when you, after you unpack your stamps, you won't know maybe which series it is. But for this one, she even shows, well, her name obviously and the alphabet, so you can know which series did you get. So this one is round A. So, okay, I'll use pink instead of red. I don't have any red right now. See all the details, they're so nice. Now I'm so happy that I finally unpacked them so that I can start using them. Oh my god. So these are kind of a paper with a bit texture. So as you can see, got a bit, it's not like clear. So these is like that. Okay, so I'll show you this one right now. So when you stamp on another paper, which is like, this is kind of normal paper compared to this one, because you got a bit texture on it, which it will shows a bit effect by the ink and also the paper. So you can see the difference. But both of them are so nice, and these are like so cute. Okay, so I'll put these by the side and I'll open another set. She has 3 other frames set, which is S and XS and double XS. It was so hard to read. Okay, let's start from the biggest one. If I remember, I think it's this one. This one is the one that she reproduction again. Oh my god, I'm so bad at unpacking. So these are like 4 of them. So let's open this one. So this set is the S size, but in smaller version, and this one as well. But they still look slightly different. There's always a reason that you get new stamps. They are so cute, all in different sizes. Okay, so this one there's a bit different. So I think this will be here. And you can see they're all in different sizes. I can measure it for you and see. Well, the biggest one is 3 centimeters and this one is 2.5 and 2. Well, you know they look similar, but I still want to get all of them, which is not surprise for someone who is stationery addict. So now I'll do this one first, S size. So this is the S ones. Now we do XS. Well, this is XS, right? Yep. So this time I'll do it in orders with their size. And so this is the one which is same as this paper card. So it's still got a bit texture on it, as you can see. And show this one. This is really nice. I love it like so much. They're just so cute. So this is the unboxing for today. I hope you like it. I feel sorry that I seldom do English version, but I'm trying my best, like sometimes when I got time. Or if you want to see any like unboxing particularly in English, then you can let me know and then I'll do it. So I hope you like the unboxing for today, and let me know if you have any thought or idea. You can comment down there and let me know. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.